When you are interested in identifying the antimicrobial resistance genes and their abundances in metagenome samples, there are majorly two ways to achieve it. One way is to generate mags and check for AMR genes in each bin or mag using tools like Resistance Gene Identifier or AMR Finder Plus. And the other way is to directly use the filtered reads as input to pipelines like AMR and get the overall abundances of the AMR genes across all the samples. AMR is a Nextflow-based pipeline, and it can optionally perform microbial composition analysis using Kraken 2. This pipeline uses MegaRes database, which includes approximately 9,000 curated AMR genes. We can find the installation instructions on the pipeline's GitHub page. Basically, we'll be cloning the AMR repository to our system and then create a Conda environment using one of the clone files. If you have not installed Conda, check out the linked video to install Conda or Mamba on your system. Once you have installed and configured Conda, copy the repo cloning code and switch to your terminal window. Paste the code and press enter to clone the repo to your desired directory. I am cloning it to my home directory. After that, navigate to the downloaded AMR directory and create a new environment using the provided YAML file. This creates an environment called AMR _env and installs required packages in that environment. Once completed, activate the AMR environment and run the demo task, which should complete successfully. However, at this stage, I faced an error where the script could not proceed beyond Kraken 2 step. I checked the log file and found that the script is unable to find the reads, leading to the generation of a null object. Since the required files exist in the corresponding directory and I have successfully used an older version of AMR earlier, I thought it should be an issue related to some dependency. So I tried downgrading Nextflow to version 24. This downgraded both the Nextflow and OpenJDK packages. After downgrading, the script ran without errors. Right. Now that we know the issue, we can directly install the older version of Nextflow while creating the environment itself. Let me remove the existing environment and clear the cached packages using Mamba or Conda. Then open the YAML file with Vim or any other text editor. If using Vim, press I for insert mode. Shorten the environment name so that it will be easy to type while activating and deactivating the environment. Then mention the version of Nextflow as any subversion of 24. Save the file by pressing escape and typing :wq. Now recreate the environment using Conda. This time it should directly install Nextflow version 24 and demo task should run without error. That's it. We now have a working AMR pipeline. We will see how to run AMR on our own samples in an upcoming video.